All right, in this one we're going to talk about alternate exterior angles. So again, very important line here is our transversal. Transversal is the line that intersects two or more other lines. So here it's intersecting our two lines that you can see there. All right, all of these angle relationships have to do with an angle that comes from one intersection up here, and the other angle must come from this intersection down here. They can't both come from the same intersection. All right, with that being said, I'm going to put that transversal line back, sorry. Okay, with that being said, we know alternate means opposite sides of the transversal. So one angle is going to come from over here, and the other angle is going to come from over here. So they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Now, there's the other part, which is exterior, which means basically not that area in between the two lines that are intersected. So this is exterior area, this is exterior. As long as I'm not in between those two lines being cut by the transversal, we're good. All right, so we have alternate interior angles. Okay, so let's say if I pick up here at the top, I am going to pick 1. Okay, that's an exterior angle. So who, because one angle comes from this intersection, the other one has to come from down at the bottom, okay, the other intersection. Who down at the bottom is on the opposite side of the transversal and, of course, still outside of the two lines, and that would be 8. It's on the opposite side of the transversal, which I'll highlight again in red here. Here's my transversal, and it's in that blue region, which would be considered exterior. The other example we can see here would be 2 and 7 are alternate exterior angles because they're on opposite sides and they're outside of the two lines intersected by the transversal.